That's better, isn't it? Yay. You ready? Do you want a stool? Do you want something to sit on?
I'm sitting on something.
Yeah, would you want it a bit higher, or are you all right down there?
How am I going to get it higher?
Sit on something.
Oh, good.
Is that all right?
Don't wiggle me. Yeah, fine.
Okay, you ready? Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Kaz, and welcome. Hello and welcome back to the channel. We've been having fun putting the background up. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Kaz.
And I'm Toby.
And like we said, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to our video, if you really want to put up with us too tonight. Well, we've got something exciting to show you. We're going to go through the Proud palette by JOLIEBEAUTY, and because I've got makeup on, I could wipe it off. I've got my young son here, Toby, to help me with, keep still Toby, you're walking that, that's it. Keep still, that's it. We're going to do a Wayne Goss style and swatch on his face. He has got no products on his face whatsoever, have you, dear? No, just some lovely rosy cheeks. So we're going to drag him here and we're going to swatch some of the colours on there, and I'm going to stop showing my bra, that's better. And I've got some information about the actual brand, basically JOLIEBEAUTY, and what she's all about, what she does, and then we'll show you the palette. So if you want to know all that, carry on watching.
So I just felt like that.
Right, are we ready? A little bit about the brand. JOLIEBEAUTY is a new brand. Well, I think it's a new brand. I found it on Facebook and I saw all the bright colours and I thought, wow, I need this palette. Anyway, it says, we believe cosmetics, start again, we believe cosmetics should have no rules, no boundaries should lie in the way of creativity, blah, blah, blah.
Creativity spirit.
That's right. JOLIEBEAUTY is a cruelty-free makeup brand that specialises in colour cosmetics designed for the creative and free. That's all, isn't it, Guy? Designed for the creative and free, we create products for the makeup lovers, creators and artists alike. Now, the description of this is the Be Proud palette, which is here, look. Ooh. Very shiny, isn't it? There we are. Be Proud palette is a rainbow delight filled with 21 highly pigmented shadows and 7 extremely shiny pressed cosmetic glitters. And I'll tell you how they work because I have done 4 or 5, maybe 6 looks. If you watch me on your Instagram, you will see them a lot, won't they? Yeah. And sit up, sweetheart. You look like you're dropping off. There we are.
The stool's very crooked.
Got a crooked stool. Anyway, they're £5 from every purchase of the sale of the Proud palette goes direct to charity, which is close to their heart, which is a charity that specialises in helping homelessness in the LGBT community that can't read, Toby. It may surprise you that over 25%
of the homeless community
identifies as part of the LGBT community. Right. So it's Kath is the founder, working in foster care for 1980, and she is timelessly raised money to give more secure and a sage life. Kath founded the charity in 1989, blah, 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 30-year anniversary. 30-year anniversary. So this is a 30-year anniversary Be proud of who you are palette, and I shall show you the inside upside down. But look at that. You haven't seen inside this, have you? What do you think?
It's very good.
It's very good, isn't it? Yeah. I have done, like I said, many looks. Catch me on Instagram. My link's in the description down below. But this was not an expensive palette. All told, with postage, it was about £22. And £5 of that went straight to the LGBT, which is what I've just waffled, if you understand me. So what we're going to do is swatch some of these. I've used them in the lines. I've mixed them up. The glitters, right, the glitters do need, let's get this blue. As you can see, look, they're very good. Very nice glitters, but they do stay. But they do fall all over your... Wipey. You didn't see that, did you? They do fall all over your face if you don't use glitter glue. But we're using glitter glue. They stay. Poof, on your eyes. They're fantastic. I've used most of the colours, but even this gold one here is just fantastic, look. And if you do a wipey, shut your eyes. If you tap it on, look, like I said, over an eyeshadow primer, you'll be able to see it there. Can you see that? But it does stay and look like this if you put the glue underneath. So I'm not going to actually swatch many of these, only with my fingers, because as you know, without a glitter glue, let's put some on your eyes. And they aren't eye safe. Like the reds doesn't stay very well. And the orange doesn't stay very well, as you can see. Are you all right there, Toby? See? But I have got these in my eyes and they don't sting. So we're going to go across the top with all the different colours. All they are is all matte with the shimmer. Yes?
Well, I like every single one, but my most favourite is this one.
The purple? Would you like a bit of purple on you?
Yes.
Where should we put the purple?
Probably on this one.
On this eye? We'll put it on the outer edge, shall we?
Mm-hmm.
There you are. Is that okay? You wait till you see yourself, lovely. Wayne Goss style, I want to say, I saw him swatch a palette and it was hilarious. And I just thought I'll bring on Toby. You wanted to do a video with me, didn't you, lovely? Mm-hmm. So we've got a few, not a pen. I'm not going to draw on you, are we, Dal? We've got some few eyeshadow brushes here, and I've also got my switch, whatever you call it, thingy here, so you can go like that. So let's get started with the maroon, and all I'm doing is basically doing this, swishy, wishy, 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 and that's it, which is what I would do, tappity tap, and here is the maroon, and as you can see, it blends beautifully, if you can see what I mean. I'm just turning the brush in. And if you come forward and up a bit, there we go. No, up, there. And as you can see, it blends in lovely. And we'll swatch a moo and go for the next one. And as you can see, it blends right next door. And it blends in nicely. You're going to be covered. Can you see?
It tickles.
And then we do, does it tickle?
Yeah.
And the next one is a lighter rosy shade.
You can hardly see it.
You can't, but you can, if you know what I mean. Can you see it? Let's just see what the lights are doing. You stay there.
Kind
Ooh, we've gone. Hello.
of. Ugh.
So you don't want to wash it out. That's why I didn't want to go too bright. There we go. But as you can see, it's beautiful, beautiful shades. Now, the oranges, we've got this one, which is a lot brighter.
A lot smoother.
Is it a lot smoother, that one? See, red's very hard to do. But with these being cruelty free, it's very difficult with you upside down. With them being cruelty free, you can't really do. Turn a little bit, thank you. And of course, I'm not tapping off, so woo! And as you can see there, fantastic colours. We'll try change brushes because I think we've used that one enough. The yellows, I love the yellows. Are you ready, Tobes?
Slight mist.
And this is on your little red skin, actually, so it's not very fair of the yellow, is it? Where can we put the yellow? On your chin.
Oh, that tickles.
Does it tickle? The yellow is really good. I love it. The middle yellow is so strong and bright. Look at his face.
Well,
my colour swatch.
Where it's mostly less red on my cheeks is around my mouth and my nose.
It is, and there you are. Absolutely brilliant. I love these colours. Let's do, what colour should we do next, Toby?
Blue.
I'm just using the fluffy ones like that. The blues.
That is very cyan.
It isn't it? There's lots of product on your look, I'll show you. It's colour swatch, that one. And the kick up. It does kick up a lot, like I'll show you, look. Kicks up a lot if you push the brush in too much. But I tend to go back in and you tap and a lot comes off. But I like it. And turn your head a little bit so they can see. There we are. I like it because the blues go on. Of course, this is over his red. Let's do a second one with that one. But it's absolutely beautiful. And then you've got the darker one. There. Whoop. Not the best skin on the earth, but we just thought we'll do it this way round. What colour do you want to do next? Let's find another brush.
Probably the pinks.
The pinks. Light pink first. We'll do it on this side, shall we? Glitter fallout. The light pink is brilliant. So, use my left hand. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you see that?
I cannot see whatsoever. It's blending in right with my red.
Sit up. I can see it. I'm
It's blending in right with my red.
Oh, before we knock you over. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we're giving this a try anyway. Then the darker pink.
It's just making my cheeks more red. Okay, you can see that one way better.
And then the very dark pink. Cerise colour, isn't it?
Kind of purple pink.
Now that one.
Ow.
Let's dip in that one again. That one I've used most of the colours. But they do blend together, which I'll just blend those in together. Is it nice? You like my brush? They blend in lovely. Now, the greens I'm going to do on my fingers. And I'm going to do the traditional swatches. As you can see there's loads of product left. And the purples, again, love them. And I'll do the traditional swatches of the purples there. And like I said, what the pinks, wasn't it? The pinks, this is just going in like that. And again, traditional swatches like that. Now the light pink is very light pink, but you need a light pink to blend in. I love them. What do you think, Tio? What do you think, doing? What should we do now? Should we do the dark greens?
Yeah.
Tap on your nose. Your little green elfie nose. You can do all sorts with this. We're just messing about today. And if you haven't got a bright, colourful palette, this is, I love that moss green. Doesn't it lovely? Lovely. And then this limey colour green there. Whoops, there, look. I absolutely adore that one.
It's kind of yellowy.
Yellowy lime coloured, yeah. I absolutely love it. And you can pack it on your eyes, everything. So I don't feel left out. Shall I put the deep red? It's good because I have makeup on, as you can see. But the deep red. Just going to swatch. What do you want? You want a brush? You can speak, you know. With the lighter blue. And as you can see, over a concealed, and do the purple. Concealed and makeup face, it will still go in there. Is that patchy? I haven't got a mirror. I like them. I like the use of them. I like to, anything you want, you can do what you like. I like to put my eyeshadow primer on and then leave it wet, dab it in and pat. And then blend it in with a clean brush on the outer edges. I absolutely adore it. And what are you doing? Go on then. Where are you going to put the blue? You don't have to whisper. There we go. I do really enjoy this palette. Try not to wash it out. There we go. Like I said, proud palette. It says be proud of who you are inside there. And I do. I love it. It's a big palette though. How can I? Emily's. Emily Noel's was a big palette. And as you can see, same size but slightly bigger. Slightly longer, but I do love it. And it just sits on my desk. And like I said, I've done 5 odd looks with it already. It's going to be one of my favourite colourful palettes because it's got everything in it. And if you want to grab a bit of glitter, it's easy to use. Better with a eyeshadow glitter primer. But yes, I do love them. Now the ones that I've found that are easier to blend are all but this deep purple and the red there. Those two, they do tend to more applications to blend it, and so it's less, as you can see, patchy. All the rest work brilliantly. The yellows are just absolutely bright colours. Bright yellow. I love the yellows. It's one of the reasons why I bought the palette, because I saw somebody swatch the yellows. And I thought, I need that. I need that yellow. Anyway, I will stop talking and waffling now. You've enjoyed this video, haven't you?
Yes.
Yes. And you'll be doing some looks with this with me, will you?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So we'll leave it there. I will be doing what palettes I have enjoyed in December video, obviously at the beginning of January. And this is one of them. And I'll be showing in that... can't get my words out. I'll be showing in that video what looks I've done and putting them into the video as well. So look forward to that. There's a couple of other other palettes I've been enjoying in December too, and picking the ones that I might try for January. A little bit more of a twist on Shop My Stash. Do you want to say anything, Toby? No? You can say bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye.